Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable voice chat in Roblox mobile. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you wanted to voice chat with people while playing a game, there are certain requirements that you need to meet to be able to do that voice chat, certain age requirements, and things that you have turned on. I'm going to walk you through all of those. The first thing you can do is open up the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android. From here, tap on More at the bottom right. Scroll down, tap on Settings, that gear icon. Tap on Account Info at the top. Scroll down from here and check your age group. In my case, it says 21 plus. If yours says that it's under 13, unfortunately, voice chat is not available if you're under 13. However, if you're older than 13 and it still says that it's not available, you can go through and verify your age. You can either do it by using a selfie, or you can upload an ID essentially to check and verify your birthday here. You can also tap on the pencil and paper next to your birthday and update your birthday to the correct birthday. Again, you need to be over 13 for this to be able to work. After you've done that, let's tap the back arrow at the top left. Tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. Tap on Communication. Tap on Voice Data Usage. You can choose here whether it allows Roblox to analyze your voice. If you're okay with it, you can leave it on. Or if you don't want it to analyze your voice chat, you can keep that off. Next, let's hop out of here and tap on the Settings app on your iPhone or Android. Search for Roblox, tap on Roblox, and make sure microphone is enabled. If this is turned off, of course, you can't voice chat, so make sure to turn this on. Next, let's tap on the Roblox app and go into a game. So in this case, I'm going to choose Please Donate. Tap on the play button at the bottom right. And once I'm in that game, you can see a microphone icon with a little line through it. If you don't see that or it doesn't show up for you, tap on the Roblox icon at the top left. Tap on Settings at the top left. Scroll down, you can see under Chat and Language is Voice Chat. If this is set to disconnected, of course, you cannot voice chat. So tap the arrow to make sure it's set to connected. And then also you can check the other settings, and you can also check the input device is set to the correct input device here, usually just the default. Now, if I hop out of here, tap on the microphone, it will start to essentially do the voice chat within that game. There are a couple caveats if this doesn't work for you. One is that this is not available in every single game. For instance, if I leave this game and open up a different game like this one, you'll be able to see even though in Please Donate voice chat works, however, in this game, there's no voice icon. So this is not available in every single game. Try Please Donate and see if it is available in that. And if it is, it's essentially the issue is that game is not available for voice chat. However, if you're still having issues, tap More at the bottom right. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Help and Safety. Tap on Violations and Appeals. Check to see if you have a violation on your account. If you do have a violation, that could be potentially the reason why voice chat is not working. However, if it's still not working, let's go through another step to get it fixed. Tap the back arrow at the top left. Tap Help at the top. Tap on Search Our Articles, and we're going to search for voice chat and tap on Search. From here, tap on, where is it? How do I turn on voice chat? Go through this process. Essentially, we've gone through a lot of this. It is only eligible to 13 plus. However, if you scroll down from here, you can see at the bottom it says need more help, contact support here. Tap on that and it will bring up the ability to enter in your username, first name, email address, and then device type. Just enter in all of that in addition to help category type. On here, you can see a bunch of options. However, voice chat isn't specifically on here. So we're going to instead scroll up and tap on how to, tap on subcategory, how to other, and then just describe your problem. Essentially, I've turned everything on, I'm over 13, but voice chat still isn't working for me. Enter in all of that, hit continue to submit it, and they should get back to you within a couple of days to get that fixed and get voice chat working on your phone. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really enjoy it. Thanks, guys.